Hi everyone, it's Andrea, your car gal here at Wendle Ford and Nissan, and today we're going to show you how to use the Pro Pilot Assist on your 2021 Nissan Rogue. So before we start off, I just want to show you this beautiful Caspian blue in the 2021 Nissan Rogue. It's such a gorgeous color, y'all. So anyways, just had to kind of point that out and show you how beautiful it is. Just an overview of what it looks like inside. So I'm in the 2021 Nissan Rogue Platinum. I love the screen, love the electronic charging pad, heated seats, heated steering wheel, the different drive modes. But we're gonna start by turning on the Pro Pilot Assist. It is this button right here. Do you see how it kind of came on? You have your Nissan Intelligent Mobility on as well. But it says 3 car lengths, it looks like, and we are going to get started going on the road and kind of showing you how it works. If you want to turn this feature off, all you gotta do is turn it off just like that. But to turn it on, just a little button right there on your steering wheel, and it is turned on. Do you see that little button right there? That's your steering assist. Right now, it is turned on. We want it turned on. If you want it turned off, just push that button. So steering assist is off. We're gonna turn it back on to really get a full outlook on the Pro Pilot Assist. Okay, so you're in your car, you're about to go on an amazing road trip, right? And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put on cruise control, okay? You're gonna put your car in cruise control, and then we have our steering assist on. That's gonna help us. And what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you what happens when we take our hands off the wheel. That's right. I'm gonna take my hands off the wheel so you can really get an idea of how this thing works. Okay, so like I said, we turned on our little blue button, we turned on our steering assist, and we are going to see what happens when we put the 2021 Nissan Rogue on cruise control, okay, with our hands off the wheel. Y'all ready? Woo! I'm ready. Okay, as you can see, I see those 3 little bars right there on the dashboard. Okay, that means that's my car lanes. So I'm going to turn on my cruise control. I'm gonna turn it on to like 60 because that's the speed limit. So I'm gonna get up there. Okay, do you see how that lit up green? See how it has the little guy with the steering wheel on his hands? It's all green. Okay, so my hands, well, one hand is on the wheel. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys what happens when I take my hands off the wheel. Okay, it's pretty clear, no one's in front of me. Do you guys like that holographic image too? Isn't that kind of cool? So no one's ahead of me, so I'm doing this in a safe zone. My hands are off the wheel. Okay, watch my steering wheel. I'm about to go around a corner. Okay, but oh, look, warning, warning. Look, it's even more warning. Not only did we just go around a corner, okay, but the car is steering itself. It's freaking out on me. Oh, look, hands are back on the wheel. We're all safe. But isn't that cool? Okay, I'm gonna take my hands on the wheel so you guys can kind of see it again. Okay, again, no one's in front of me. Very safe zone. Okay, but the wheel is also keeping me centered. Okay, we're going around another corner. Okay, what? Going around a corner, y'all, and my hands are not on the wheel. The car is freaking out on me. Okay. Oh, and you know what? It's doing an emergency stop. It is braking for me. Okay. Wanted to kind of show you guys so you all see what that looks like. Okay. So I am in a safe parking lot doing this bit. However, that was using the Pro Pilot Assist. Okay, it's that little blue button on your steering wheel if you're driving a Nissan Rogue. That is your little blue button on the steering wheel. That is how that works, okay? So if you enjoyed this, drop me a comment. Tell me if you want to see more. I want to see you more. So if you guys are interested in wanting a Nissan Rogue, come see your girl at Wendle Ford and Nissan. I am here to help you. I'm located in beautiful Spokane, Washington. And my name is Andrea, your car gal, and we'll see y'all later. Bye.